Welcome the our channel. Today we how to backup rental application status with RentGrow easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, visit the RentGrow website. Log in using your credentials. Locate the rental application section on your dashboard. Click on the specific application you wish to backup. On the application details page, look for the backup option. Select the backup feature to initiate the process. Choose the desired format for your backup, usually PDF or CSV. Confirm your selection to proceed. Wait for the system to generate the backup file. Once the backup is complete, a download link will appear. Click on the download link to save the file to your device. Check your device's designated download folder for the backup file. Open the file to ensure all information is intact. If everything looks good, you can store it in a safe location. For future reference, repeat these steps for any new applications. This process helps keep your rental application information secure. Now you are ready to move on with your rental search confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.